Hey, beautiful people. Before we dive in, I want you to remember something super important. You are already beautiful. You don't need to change your skin or compare yourself to anyone. This video isn't about fixing yourself, it's about polishing what's already amazing and learning to take care of your skin in the most loving, natural way possible. So, if you've ever dreamed of that healthy, glowing glass skin look, but you're broke, a teen, or just don't want to buy a bunch of fancy products, stay till the end because I'm going to show you how to do it all with zero budget using things you have at home. And there's a little bonus at the end, a mini 7-day challenge you can try starting today. Ready? Let's glow. So, what exactly is glass skin? It's not about looking shiny or wearing makeup. It's about healthy, hydrated, clear skin that looks smooth and bouncy like glass. In Korean skincare culture, glass skin isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, care, and balance. And guess what? You don't need 10 steps or luxury serums to get it. Your skin wants to glow naturally. All you have to do is help it. Understanding your skin type. Okay, before we do anything, you have to know your skin. Here's a quick test. Wash your face with just water. Wait 30 minutes. If it feels tight, you're dry. If it looks shiny on your forehead and nose, you're combination. If it's oily all over, oily. Why does this matter? Because glass skin starts with listening to your skin, not copying someone else's routine. So, throughout this video, I'll give you tips for each skin type. No fancy brands, just simple stuff that works. Step 1, the cleanse. Now, we're on a zero budget, so here's the trick. Use lukewarm water, not hot, not cold. If you don't have a cleanser, use oatmeal and water. It's gentle, soothing, and great for sensitive skin. Or use plain milk to wipe off dirt. It contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates. Massage slowly for 60 seconds. Don't rush. Think of it as time to thank your skin for protecting you every day. Remember, don't overwash. Twice a day is perfect. Step 2, hydration. Here's a secret. Glass skin is 80% about hydration. If your skin is hydrated, it automatically glows, even without makeup. No toner, no problem. Try this. Boil rice and keep the rice water. It's full of vitamins. Store it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and use it as a natural toner. For moisturizer, you can use aloe vera gel. If you have the plant, even better. Or a few drops of olive oil or coconut oil. Just a thin layer. Massage upwards, always gently. You're not just moisturizing your skin, you are telling it, I love you. Okay, now we feed the skin. You don't need sheet masks. You can make your own. Honey plus a few drops of lemon. Optional. Brightens and hydrates. Cucumber slices. Cools and refreshes. Banana mash. Super moisturizing. Apply, chill for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse. It's fun, easy, and your skin will thank you. Step 4. Protect. One thing Koreans never skip: sun protection. Even if you're inside, sunlight through windows can age and dull your skin. If you don't have sunscreen, use shade and hats when you go out. Don't touch your face too much. And drink lots of water. It's the cheapest skincare ever. Step 5, glow mindset. Now listen, the glow doesn't only come from the outside. Your skin reacts to your emotions, sleep, and what you eat. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Eat fresh fruits, especially orange and yellow ones. Smile more. It literally improves circulation. When you take care of yourself, your body shows it. That's real glass skin energy. Not the glow from a filter, but from self-love. So, Here's your 7-day zero budget challenge. 1. Wash with oatmeal or milk. 2. Tone with rice water. 3. Moisturize with aloe or natural oil. 4. Protect your skin from the sun. 5. Drink water and sleep early. Do it for a week and tell me in the comments how your skin feels, not just how it looks. Remember, you are already beautiful. You don't need glass skin to prove your worth, but taking care of yourself is a way to show gratitude for the body you live in. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found even one thing helpful, drop a pink heart emoji in the comments so I know you're glowing. Stay kind, stay confident, and stay real. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.